Today we're going to take a look at the 14-inch M3 Pro MacBook Pro. This variant has 18 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD. The processor is a 12-core CPU, 18-core GPU. On the sides of the box, we have the Apple logo and the MacBook Pro branding. Pulling the green tabs allows you to unseal the MacBook Pro box. As you pull the top of the box off, you're greeted with the MacBook Pro front and center. The pull tab allows us to take the MacBook out of the box easily, and then we can now take a look at the paperwork and accessories. We have a very brief instruction manual as well as some legal disclaimers and a set of 2 space black Apple stickers. Below the paperwork, you'll find your 96-watt USB-C power adapter. It'd be nice to get the extension cable included, but then again, that would not be Apple. Next, we have the USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable. This is a braided cable matched to the color of your specific MacBook. Now let's take off the protective paper on the MacBook and take a look at this space black variant. Now the space black variant is a color that I thought was very interesting. It seems to ward off fingerprints fairly well, although in some cases you're going to find a fingerprint here or there. On the right side of the MacBook, you'll find your HDMI port, Thunderbolt 4 port, and SDXC port. On the left side, you'll have your MagSafe 3, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The bottom of the laptop is embossed with the MacBook Pro logo, and you can see how the light shines and reflects off this new color variant. I'm really liking this space black. As we open the laptop for the first time, it will power on by itself, and we can peel back that paper protective film. After going through the initial setup, it's nice to see that liquid Retina XDR display in action. It's got 3024 by 1964 native resolution, and it reaches a peak brightness of 1600 nits with HDR content. I've used this laptop already for things like editing this video, as well as for DJing. The laptop performs very well in both scenarios.
This video is brought to you by Craving Wellness, your one-stop shop for all non-toxic everyday swaps. Shop at the link below in the description and use code TECH for 10% off.